Murad Ahmad from University of Bonaire. Today, I am going to teach you a very famous short story, The Necklace, that is written by Guy de Maupassant. We have done with some of the introduction to reading and writing, along with what is writing and how to do it. But right now, what I am going to do, you have to make guess. Yes, exactly. Active reading and writing practice. Are you ready, students? Let's start. Before starting the lesson, you have some objectives in your mind. That's our aim to achieve. After this lesson, the students will be able to get involved in active reading and writing activity. Students will get familiar to use active reading and writing strategies and techniques in various contexts. Students will be able to use the online dictionary effectively. These are our objectives that we have to achieve in our today's lesson. After the objectives, you have to follow some instructions for this lesson. Every student is directed to follow the following rules. Read out the story once, and number first one is read out the story. Second one is highlight the difficult vocabularies and their meanings. After number third one is give concentration to the sentence structures. After that, you have to keep in mind about the character names. Considering all these points, you have to write down the summary. Students, look at the board. I have classified this lesson into many parts like a model. As you can see, difficult vocabularies at the right side of the board, character names at the left side of the board, summaries points at the center of the board. So this is the model presentation for your lesson. So keep these instructions, these objectives, and these model presentations. You have to do group activity. Now this is time for your guided practice. As in the guided in this group activity, you have to follow some rules. Make groups of of some members and read the story in that group. So, considering all the instructions and all the objectives in your mind, you have to note all the points in your mind and write down the summary by your own and this and that group. So, this is group activity is very helpful in our lesson and our learning and also in collaborative discussions. So, after this, you do this and in your groups. Now it is time for your independent practice. In the in the group activity, if you have any difficulty, if you face any problem, I am here to assist you. Now this is time for your independent practice. For the independent practice, you have to do all the things by your own, by yourself. So, read the story by yourself independently, keeping all the things in your mind. After that, write down the summary by your own, by your personal view about this story. Independent practice is also very important in this in the lesson planning. So, as I have given you the objectives, the instructions, the model presentations, so you have covered all the things. Now, it is time to assist you. Students, now this is time for your formative assessment. In this assessment, I will ask different and diverse questions about this story. I will ask about the character names, the difficult vocabularies and their meanings. I will also ask about the sentence structures. The purpose of this assessment is to find the loophole which remains unfulfilled. So, this was all about our today's lesson that I have delivered you. Now, considering all the things in your mind, practice it by your own, also in homes, and this is your homework also. Students, you know, assessment is very important. As it encourages the student for self-assessment and also provide immediate feedback and motivation for whether the students know about this thing or not.